Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Food Pharrell, Pharrell's Kitchen today. Today I'm going to be making you a pineapple upside down cake. Fingers crossed that it comes out extremely perfect. Like I've been making this forever, so it better come out good. Stay tuned. So I have 3 eggs, guys. I'm going to put some oil. You could use butter. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. It's going to be a super doopy cake. I'm going to put the nutmeg in it one time. Let's put up a little bit more nutmeg than this. Yeah. Because you want to smell that goodness in there. I'm going to put some cinnamon powder also. It smells good already and I haven't even started yet. And I'm going to put the baking powder. You want to make sure you put enough baking powder so that your cake rises. I'm going to put 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. That's baking powder, guys. Okay, so I'm going to blend this up now. Okay. While that sits on the side, I am going to cut up the pineapples, and I have some cherries as well. So I'm just going to use about 4 slices of the pineapple. I'm going to cut that up. Yeah, that's perfect. Hopefully it should be enough to go around the pan. If not, I'll just add some more. Let's do the cherries. Just cut them in half. Okay. We're going to add the mixture, the wet mixture, into the dish. Okay, so now I'm going to add the flour slowly, little by little. I'm going to just add it into the mixture. And also, I'm going to add the cream to it. Should have added the cream first, but it doesn't matter which way you do it. That's the cream in there. Make it nice and rich, guys. Keep stirring. Add a little bit more flour to that. Put it in a little at a time and you combine it. And you do that until you add all the flour in. If the flour looks like it's too much because you don't want your cake heavy, you don't have to use all of it. I usually make a bigger cake. I'm going to make a smaller cake today. So what I've done, I have some pineapple juice, which I'm going to use in it. This will help infuse the pineapple taste in the cake. I'm not going to use all of it. Like some cakes require water, but I'm just going to use or just milk. I'm just going to use the fruit juice of the pineapple. It smells really, really good, guys. Get the rest of the flour in there. Mix that in. This is what I'm looking for in consistency. Looks pretty good. Now that that is done, I'm going to put it aside. Grab my pan, which I already greased, guys. Make sure you grease your pan. Some people put a little flour. I'm not going to do that. What I am going to do, I'm going to start to lay the fruits at the bottom. The whole trick to it is to make it look like an upside down cake, guys. So when you put the fruits at the bottom, onto the cake like that, just go around. Make sure it covers. I have some cocoa powder, which I'm also going to put into the cake. So it will be a sort of like a marble pineapple upside down cake. So what I'm going to do is, still going to add the liquid from the pineapple juice into the cocoa powder. Stir it up a little bit. Just going to scoop it out. He's so good on my arm. I could probably use that as Nutella by sweetening it some more. So I'm just going to give it a little swirl around. like this. Try not to disturb the fruit at the bottom. Anything, nothing fancy, just a little swirl, swirl. Make it look cute. Like that. Then I'm going to add the rest of the batter to it. Okay. Again, just try to go around as much as you can without disturbing it much. Forgot one of the main ingredients again. I keep forgetting it, guys. Pineapple upside down cake with apricot at the bottom. Oh, I always forget it. That gives it the juicy flavor on top. But I could fix it by the time it comes out. So this is what it's gonna look like. Yep. Just wait for your oven to be hot and then you'll see me put it in there. Okay, so the oven is nice and hot, so I'm gonna put it in there. Again, this is what it looks like before. That's just the chocolate that's inside, guys. But it's fully cooked. It's dry. Now we're gonna let the cake cool down and then I will show you how it's flipped.